Camcorder here, and I have a dilemma. I am trying to find a new camcorder. One of them ones that have one of them flip screens. That way I can actually see myself. Right now I just use my phone, and sometimes I take video of my forehead, sometimes I take video of my mouth, sometimes I'm in the shot, I don't know. So my dilemma is trying to find either Samsung, Sony, or a JVC. Today I've looked at a few different cameras. I went to Best Buy, Myers, and Wally World here. And Wally World has a pretty good deal on a JVC. It's $189. It's a 9.1 megapixels or something like that. It's 1080p. Seems like pretty nice, sturdy camera. Software is already downloaded on the camera. I don't know if that makes a difference or anything. Didn't look like it had an external jack or nothing like that. And then I checked out them Samsungs, and that one's only 720p. It seemed like an alright camera. I've had pretty good luck with Samsungs pretty much my whole life here. Anytime I had a Samsung, it's worked pretty damn good. That's what my phone is. But it felt a little bit cheaper than the JVC. The Sony, that one I couldn't get to work on the display, so I really don't know how that one works. I didn't see no external jack for that either. They wanted $300 or something like that for 9.1. I truly don't know which one I should get here. I know that 1080p is way better than 720, so kind of leaning towards that JVC. If anybody knows anything about a JVC, if they're a good camera or not, please let me know. Really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, comment. This is another camcorder Productions. Thank you.